Hello, my wonderful subscribers and creators. I hope you missed me because I definitely missed you. It's been a little while since my last video tutorial. I've been working on a huge project, giant flowers for a podium decor setup. It's still a bit of secret until the official announcement date, but I promise to share all the details with you as soon as possible in the mid of September. But today's video is all about bulbs for our giant flowers. In my previous tutorial, we created a beautiful giant paper flower lamp, a soft glowing centerpiece that turned out so magical, and I was so happy to see how much you loved it. After I posted that video, I received so many messages and comments asking what kind of bulb did you use, where can I find something like that, and how to make the flower look so perfectly light from the inside. So, today I'm going to answer all those questions and more by testing a whole bunch of bulbs that might be perfect lighting for your giant flowers in the most stunning way. I spent over $300 to order the most beautiful decorative bulbs from Amazon, so you don't need to spend your money and to waste your time. Let's see and try all the different bulbs, which is like perfect for giant flowers and which one isn't worth it. So the first one, here's how beautiful it looks on the picture. Let's try it with a giant flower. Here's what a beautiful lamp. Let's test it first. I have such a connector. And turn it on. Okay, it looks beautiful and such center. Looks maybe even like beautiful little stamens. Let's try it inside the flower. Here's our flower and let's turn on. Here it is. Looks beautiful, and especially if fluff petals a little bit more. I love it. Okay, let's test the next one. And next, as the second one is, I guess, a little bit even bigger. I cannot say that. Here is how it looks. Let's try in the flower. Here is our flower. And turn it on. I guess this design of lamp not so perfect for giant flowers because previous one it reminds a little bit stamens, looks more beautiful and natural, but still this is more about like fashion, about style. Maybe for stylish black flowers it would work better. Next lamp. I ordered so many different lamps, so it's exactly the time to finally check it out. So here it is. Oh, it's something very unusual. Let's try it without flower first to understand how it works. It's like a double bubble. It looks nice. Let's try with flower. Here is how it looks. And let's turn it on. I would say that this lamp is not maybe the best one for the flowers. I'm still about the first one. But let me know in comments what is your favorite one. Here is how it looks. Close look. Let's move next. Our next bulb. It's a set of 4. Let's open and see how it looks. By the way, it's not a sponsored video or something, no, it was just I was interested about bulbs which would work the best for flowers. So I decided to make such a video. Oh, it's packed so beautifully. This box is pretty. I received one box totally crushed. I even don't need to open it. It was like crazy something bad happened inside. But this one is really nice. Look how it is. First, let's test it just about. Oop. Yeah. Here it is. Oh, but I guess this lamp wouldn't be perfect for our flowers because it's a few seconds and it's so hot. Let's still try how it looks. The bulb size is just perfect. Yeah, look at this. It's small enough and big enough. I really love it. Let's move next. Oh, next box. It's like always at Amazon, a lot of paper and a little box. Here is the box and here is the lamp. Okay, here is how it looks. Just a box without like indication of what's inside, what lamp inside. Oh, packed really well. But I guess we already tried some. Oh no, we haven't tried something similar. Oh, this is very unusual form of the lamp. Oh, I definitely love it. But it may be even beautiful just like a lamp without flowers, so stylish. I will attach somewhere here photo how it looks on Amazon in the item. Let's try it with just lamp first. Let's try. Here how it looks. Pretty nice. Let's try it with flower. Here it is. What do you think about this lamp? It's a very unusual form, not like a round, not circle. I really love it. Let's try this light. Still interesting. Let me know in comments what do you think about such a lamp. You know, especially with the flower is completely handmade. Every petal is unique, unrepeatable, and the center is kind of unique too, not just a circle bulb. I really love this. Let's move next because I still have a few boxes with bulbs inside, a lot of bulbs. Next box will be much bigger size. Oh, really big. It's bigger than I actually expected. Here is our lamp. Are you ready? It's giant size lamp. Oh wow! Just look at this. I will attach somewhere here diameter of this lamp. It's definitely giant. Let's see how it looks with our giant flower. Now the flower looks up. Let's try first with just lamp. Oop. Just lamp. Oh wow. I was waiting all this shipping so long that I really a little bit forgot what I ordered. Oh wow. It's really definitely giant size. Let's try it with the flower. A giant flower center. I guess flowers should be a little bit bigger size. Wow. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this. Let's turn it on. It's definitely for more giant flower. Yep. Okay, I have a few more lamps. So let's move next. Oof. Just look at this size. Almond, I guess, what it is. Let's start with the biggest one. This one. Oh, it's a very unique and beautiful style. It might work for our flower. Just look at it. It's interesting. Let me know in comments what do you think about this lamp. I will put a number of the lamps somewhere here, so you can rate them, which is your favorite one. But I definitely love this one too. It looks so unusual, just look at this. Because of the shape. Shape is so beautiful. Okay, let's move next. Here we have a smaller size, like a lamp before, I guess. And here it is. Such a very unique and unusual form. Let's try it inside our flower. Yeah. And 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's beautiful. Nice. I love it because of the form. It's not like the right circle. It's such a nice moment. If you want a very unique flower for your client, so you can use this kind of bulb. It looks definitely worth it. Just look at this one more time. Okay, and we have the last one. Oh, here we have a set of 2 similar lamps, like this. Here is how it looks. Let's try it with the flower. There is a bulb. Looks nice, beautiful. And here is it. It's beautiful. Yeah. Let me know what do you think about this kind of lamp. Okay, let's turn it off. That's all the bulbs you will need for flower making, and here is a little preview of next tutorial, giant rose. And could you believe this flower took me about 10-15 minutes to make? This is my favorite technique and I am sure you will love it. So see you soon in next tutorial. Bye bye!